Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you scroll up to my first videos, you will see that I have a little, videos about my dogs. And that is just because I love animals. They are so wonderful and awesome in many ways. But today, I just want to show you around my backyard and all what's in it. And so, let's start here. So, this is my front yard. And yes, you might have noticed this. Our house already got sold and we're moving to a new house. So I just wanted to show you our backyard so y'all could see it. And here is our garden. My mom is an herbalist and she plants a lot of school gardens like Marty, Girard Elementary, Adam, lots of school gardens. And right here it says a certified butterfly garden, and that is a sign that got mailed to us because we had all the plants that butterflies could come to. For example, we have these plants, which a lot of fritillary butterflies come to. And this plant right here, this white flower, also fritillary butterflies come to. Over here, right here, this plant is dill, and lots of, I forgot the name, but lots of butterflies there are eggs here. And I have another video showing you the, like red spooky little caterpillars that we found in our backyard. So, let's move on to my backyard. This is my backyard. We have a pretty big backyard, but we are moving to a 2-acre land, and that's huge. So here's our little blueberry garden right here. And this used to be our strawberry garden, but it kind of got infested with grass. But you used to be able to lift this up and pick the strawberries, so birds wouldn't peck all of the strawberries. And this is our little playhouse that I bought for $20. This is our other garden. Here is a peach tree and a cherry tree. Here is our playhouse my dad actually built a long time ago. And here's just an open space. Here is a workshop. Here is a supply building. Here is a little garden which vines grow right here. They're really pretty, and they used to grow red flowers in the spring. And here is a plant that grows berries. They're not edible, but they're really pretty decoration. Here is our food gardens. We plant kale, carrots, beets here, and many different other plants. And over there, that plant is where the red caterpillars are at. And here is lavender. And here is tomatoes. And over here is just a pretty archway, which is really cool. And over here are really pretty flowers. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up my whole video. Oh my God. I guess that'll wrap up our video. Bye, guys.